Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the surface and deciding exact placement. Clean the area with isopropyl alcohol to remove oils. Make sure it's fully dry. Once done, use removable tape or a faint pencil mark to create alignment guides. This prevents crooked placement. You should work in a dust-free space and avoid wind or fans. Take a breath and position the sticker backing so the logo lines up with your marks before you peel anything, because accurate placement saves time and prevents rework. You'll now transfer the sticker using a controlled, steady motion. Peel the backing slowly at a shallow angle and avoid touching the adhesive with your fingers. Oils reduce adhesion. Once the exposed edge is aligned to your guide, lay that edge down and gently press while unpeeling the rest. Make sure to smooth with a credit card or squeegee, working from center outward to push air and prevent bubbles. If you need to reposition, do it immediately. Adhesive sets quickly, and once set it's harder to fix. You finish by inspecting edges and securing the bond. Press all edges firmly. If there's slight overhang, trim with a sharp blade at a shallow 45 degrees angle for a clean edge. Once applied, let the adhesive cure for several hours. Avoid moisture or heavy handling. For outdoor use, consider a light clear lacquer or UV spray to protect the sticker. If small bubbles remain, use a fine pin to release trapped air and press flat. This solves most final imperfections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.